Hi, I am Umesha Emmer. Today I am going to discuss regarding subject Services Management for 6th semester BBM of Tumkur University. In that first topic, Introduction to Services Management. After the independence, nearly 3 decades, India has mainly depending upon the first sector, that is primary sector, and it is purely, that is agricultural economy. But after the 1990s, when India initiated economic reforms, when the country faced a severe balance of payments, the service sector started to grow. Gone are the days when the perception of services remained confined to work without charging any fee. Today, service activity has grown in leaps and bounds and has gone into commercialization. The identification of many service functions such as either hotel services, tourism, telecommunication services, financial services, education, banking, medical treatment. If you take each one, that is for example in the case of the commerce, due to the different financial services, multinational companies came into India, and the commerce fraternities or the commerce peoples are getting maximum job opportunities. First, we shall go by what is the meaning of services. Services is the thing, but action of helping or doing something for someone. It is an action of helping. Service is an intangible product that brings utility. We are not able to see a service, but in the case of product, we can see, either we can touch. But in the case of service, it is an intangible product. But we are getting either we are experiencing the utility of the particular service. Services are the non-physical, intangible parts of our economy as opposite to goods which we can touch or handle. Next, what is the definition of services? According to American Marketing Association, defines services as activities, benefits and satisfactions which are offered for sale or are provided in connection with the sale of goods. According to this definition, it is an activity. If you take case of the banking, it is an activity. If you take any service, that is, it is an activity, and the benefits and satisfactions which are offered for sale are provided in connection with the sale of goods, like that of after sale services. One expert says that services can also be defined as actions of organizations that maintains and improves the well-being and functioning of people. A service is any primary or complementary activity that does not directly produce a physical product, that is the non-goods part of transaction between buyer and seller. According to Service Industry Journal, that is, it is non-goods part of transaction between buyer and seller. It is not the part of any goods or the service. Next is, what is the meaning of services management? In the case of services management, it has two terms. One is services and another one is management. We are already discussed what is meant by services. Here services means it is an invisible, we can't see. It is perishable. Perishable is nothing but it is a time bound. In the case of the, that is, either we can see in the case of fruits or vegetables, it is a perishable product. But in the case of services, it is a time bound. If you are not utilizing the particular service at the particular point, that is perished. It is a time bound factor. For example, in the case of the classrooms, if a teacher teaches any topic, if the student are not in the classroom, only if either it may be 10 students or it may be 100 students. But if the 10 students are there, that is only the cost is same. Even if the 50 students are there, the cost is same. But if you are not utilizing in the particular time, it is perished. That is, it is a time bomb. Even in the case of accounting also, chartered accountant firms are giving maximum services that should be utilized within the particular time. For example, within the audit of the particular company, before the submission of the account, that services should be utilized. Intangible activity without which people cannot manage. That is, it is an intangible activity. Here, management indicates the process involved in services activity. That is, process. Here, management is defined as a set of specialized organizational capabilities for enabling value for customers in the form of services. That is management, that is, it has two terms, one is services, another one is management. Management is defined as a set of specialized organizational capabilities for enabling value for customers in the form of services. Hence, service management is thus a managerial discipline focused on a customer and a service. Service management is a multidisciplinary field which is related to many other management fields. This is regarding, that is, meaning and definition of services management, that is service and as well as the management.